So I want to choose my first entry on the MDI, which is the module diagnostics, and then scroll down till you'll see liftgate. Once the module's been replaced, you've got to reprogram it if it's not been programmed. So here we're going to go configure liftgate module, hit enter, park and level, enter, unlock all doors, I've already done that, enter, close the liftgate. Liftgate is closed, hit enter, ensure space, we know it's okay, hit enter, liftgate in max position, it is. It's going to get ready, caution, liftgate will be opening when I hit continue. It's going up, showing this message. It's going to go up and try to open further. The motor shuts off. It's learned its maximum opening position. Ensure everything's free, hit enter. Liftgate's going to close, hit enter. Unlock doors. Or lock and unlock. So we go lock and unlock. Procedure complete. Hit enter. Module successful. Continue. And now we're back out. And these cheap ones from Amazon, unfortunately, will not program. So they're not going to work.